Today I visited this event organized by TTF. I think it's a very well organized event, and it gives a very unique opportunity to state governments to promote their tourist destination, and also bring together the private sector, which are also able to network among themselves. And I think it's a very unique opportunity, a win-win for all state governments and private sector people operating in this area. I really want to compliment TTF for organizing this event, and all the best for it.
Tourism as a sector provides employment opportunities to a lot of people. So now, as governments, as private sector, all of us have to come together to make sure that the sector is revived, and events like the one presently we are in, organized by TTF, they do play an important role in getting all the stakeholders together. It's good to see people come out, and from the response that we have seen in TTF, I'm pretty sure that there is no doubt that tourism revival will happen, and we should all work together for it.
You see, physical platforms are always very important, because right now we can see the examples here itself, all the governments are now eagerly waiting for the schools opening, even though there are online classes. So there is no online platforms can fit into the physical platforms. Always it is very important, and it is something like a show to tell others that we are ready.
COVID has impacted a lot to the travel fraternity, but it is also has given one good message to the domestic travel industry in India, which is that because of the COVID impact, the international travel has taken a setback. Right now, with this coming scenario, people are wanting to try new itineraries, they're wanting to try new destinations, they're wanting to try new experiences within the country. International travel has opened up, like Mauritius, like Bali, like Russia, but still it's gonna take little more time to be open as it was before. But having said that, seeing the current scenario right now, the domestic travel is open and people are traveling to different parts of the country, which I strongly feel that people are getting a chance to explore their own country. Ministry of Tourism also is running a campaign called Dekho Apna Desh and Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav and a couple of more. So under the Incredible India campaign, and with the help and support of all the travel industry, especially the state governments and the private all sort of travel and tour operators, so people are trying new itineraries, which I strongly feel that is good for domestic tourism, because not just we are increasing the revenue, also we are promoting the domestic tourism, which is itself gonna be get bigger in number in the coming time.
Definitely they are very useful, because this gives the tour operators and travel agents an opportunity to interact with their counterparts. Like people who have products in UP are waiting for people to discover and explore them. So this TTF is a good opportunity where they are meeting a lot of travel agent and tour operators from Ahmedabad who have a lot of interest in UP. So I hope this is going to be a very useful show for us.
फिजिकल शो ऑफ TTF बहुत अच्छा एक इनिशिएटिव है, क्योंकि 2020 के बाद जो एक पेंडेमिक आया और लोग अपने घरों में रहे, उसके बाद एक लोगों के अंदर दे आर वेरी डेस्परेट कि एक बारी 1-to-1 इंटरेक्शन हो, स्टेक होल्डर आपस में, टूरिज्म स्टेक होल्डर आपस में इंटरेक्शन करें। अभी तक किसी को सपोज होटल का देना है तो वो उसको पर्सनल कॉन्टैक्ट्स पे नहीं आ रहा है, इसलिए ये अभी जो TTF है इसमें बहुत अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म है 1-to-1 फिजिकल शो के लिए। दिस इज़ आई थिंक दिस इज़ द बेस्ट इनिशिएटिव पर्टिकुलरली आफ्टर पेंडेमिक।